I think 11 judges are coming soon.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm actually having the business trip to Nagoya right now. And busiest moment actually tonight, 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. another unicorn battle in California.
Yeah.
All right.
And then tomorrow I'm opening the global accelerator in Nagoya City. So
The things are happening.
That's
Yeah.
yeah.
so that's hectic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is
Supporting
definitely
global activity from the Far East. That's what happened that time gap.
I'm normally actually I used to live in California, but because of COVID, I escaped. I didn't want to stay in Silicon Valley and Tokyo anymore. So I moved back to my hometown called Shimonoseki City
Oh.
in the south part of Japan. And then I come to Nagoya every week these days.
Oh,
Okay.
every week.
Obviously business.
Yeah. For preparing for my accelerator from tomorrow.
Okay.
Wow,
All right. So tomorrow's a big day for you. Well, we wish you all the best for this.
Thank you. It's we are building the largest global community accelerator. So we will educate large corporations for global open innovation. The second, we also support deep tech and Web3 startups. And then later on, we collaborate large corporations and startups for global open innovation. So yeah, you guys are more than welcome to watch us. It's called Exponential Technology Partners, or you can actually find Exponential Technology Partners on our Unicorn Battle event page. But anyways, so welcome everyone. Welcome. Welcome Yuko-san, Ivan, Mimi, Fondi, and Dina, event manager, hopefully. Dina, okay. So Dineo is Mr. Todo, right? Todo's company, right?
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Oh, he's
So
not
I'm
coming.
part of the founder team. I think he'll be joining us online shortly.
I see.
But we're a little bit busy at the moment. We are attending a pitch event in Tokyo. One of our Chinese member, he's pitching there tonight. We've got a different pitch event in Hiroshima with Kawai-san, and then Todo is bouncing online between the three. So
I see.
It's a busy evening for us. Yeah.
Cool.
We're very grateful and thankful to have the opportunity tonight here. Thank you.
Yeah. So we are starting in 1 minute, I think, but hopefully more judges are coming very soon.
Yeah, maybe let me introduce myself as well. So I'm actually one of the judges, and I'm based in Hong Kong and running a venture studio, so VC called Unicorn. So we are working and investing in early stage startups, mostly seed stage, also in the blockchain and crypto space.
Cool. Thank you, Ivan. Yuko-san, you wanna go next?
Okay, quickly introduce myself. Yeah, I was living in Hong Kong before for 7 years, now based in Hong Kong and focusing on sustainability. So talk to you later.
Excellent. Mimi, you wanna do a quick intro before we start?
Hi, I'm Mimi. I'm co-founder of Camila's 4M. I'm also a PhD student here in Japan. Thank you.
Excellent. Yuka-san,
Hi.
you wanna do a quick intro?
I'm Yuka from Upcycling. We are developing a vegan apple leather project from Japan. Thank you.
All right. So Aya, are you there?
Hello, yes, I'm here. I apologize, my video is off this morning.
No problem.
A quick intro on myself. Hi, everyone. Aya Spencer here, a senior analyst from K-Port Capital. And my background is in data analytics and data science. So when I look at startups, I tend to look through that lens. So thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much for coming, Aya. Where are you now?
I'm based in Oakland, California.
Oh, excellent. Okay. So actually headquarters said we can start right now. So let me share. We are already recording. All right. So welcome to Unicorn Battles, everyone. Actually, sorry again. Actually, this is not the battle. Unicorn pitches. All right. Let me do it again. Welcome to Unicorn Pitches to Japan, everyone. It's first time for us to run the program. So welcome and congratulations to all of you. You guys are selected out of many startups and hopefully you guys becoming the next unicorns. Yeah, so let's enjoy today. So first of all, my name is Crazy John Kojiro Moriwaka. My English name is Crazy John. My Japanese name is Kojiro, means happy second time. I'm very happy and to see all of you. Hope your families, friends stay safe, healthy, happy, and crazy. So let's make happen today and hope all your families are staying safe. So Unicorn Pitches is first time in Japan happening right now. We are recording and also on the YouTube and live streaming. So many more investors or your future partners, collaborators, connectors watching you. So please do your best. And firstly, let us welcome our judges today. So firstly, judges, you have a 1 minute to introduction yourself and about your check size industries. So let's start from Ivan from Hong Kong. Welcome, Ivan.
Thank you, John. Yeah, I'm Ivan. I'm based in Hong Kong and running a venture studio called Unicorn. We are supporting startups on seed stage and kind of like pre-series A with ticket size around like 50,000 to 200,000 US. And additional, like rather than financial investment, we also helping with partnerships with bringing in other VCs on board because we have the network of VCs, around 50 VCs across the world. We're working with quite close. So, and we also want to make some additional value to the startups. This is briefly what we are doing.
Thank you so much, Ivan, for coming. And also next, please welcome Naka.
Hi, John. Hi, all. This is Naka, based in Sapporo, Hokkaido. I'm a social entrepreneur and impact investor. What we do is to build bridges between Japanese corporations with startup ecosystems, especially in Israel and recently in India, Bangalore. And I have 16 portfolio startups. Most of them out of Japan, and two startups in Japan. And we are focusing on the area of water, food, agriculture, energy, and ESG areas. Thank you for this opportunity, Johnson, and I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you so much, Naka. You are attending actually Unicorn Battles often these days.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've enjoyed. This is the fourth time. Right.
Okay, cool. All right, so we have many social entrepreneurs today. So next, from California, please welcome Aya.
Hello, everybody. This is Aya Spencer from K-Port Capital. We are an impact investment firm based out of Oakland, California. We invest in pre-seed, seed, and Series A startups, all sectors, as long as it fits our thesis of gap closing impact investments. Our check sizes, and on average around 150 to 200,000 for the pre-seed side, all the way up to $2 to $3 million for the Series A side. So nice to meet you all.
Cool. So I'm sure more judges are joining us from around the world. So today we have our 9 startups pitching and many great, hopefully next you guys become next unicorns. And we have our 11 judges today. And we have a 1 rank to 5 rank for the judge. And in the end, we'll announce top 3 startups. So first startup, are you guys already ready?
Sorry, John. Moit has joined us.
Yeah.
Hi, everyone. So a small introduction. I'm Mohit. I represent TPLE Ventures. We are a VC fund based out of Pakistan.
Mohit, sorry about it. Yeah, please welcome. Thank you so much for coming from Pakistan. What time is it now?
It's 1 p.m. right now.
Oh, 1 p.m. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. So startups, next unicorns. Are you guys ready for the pitch? Yeah. Okay. So let's start from I'm beside you. Shozo is a winner of the unicorn battles in Asia Pacific last time. So Shozo, are you ready?
Yes. Now I'm in US and now it's 1 a.m. o'clock.
Oh, you are in US.
Yes.
1 a.m.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have 3 minutes for the pitch.
Okay. Sorry. Can you see our slide?
Yes.
Yes, we can see that.
Okay. So let me start. Okay. Hi, everyone. I'm Shozo Kamiya, founder of I'm Beside You Inc. We are founded for healing the pain of COVID-19. Now, every person all over the world communicates via online, but online communication creates a black box. It's really hard to feel people's reaction via online. So we create system analyzing each person's reaction by multimodal AI. We analyze facial expression, face orientation, gaze, and voice. Reaction is different person by person. So we analyze relative change in each person. Market size is quite huge because all countries suffered by COVID-19, and remote working becomes a new norm of businesses. This is our product. Once you set our camera up like Snap camera on, our app starts analyzing your face and voice and conversation context. It visualizes psychological safety of online meetings and mental health status of participants. We use this analytics for online education and checking mental health status of remote working people. One of our use cases is online tutoring services. We are continuously monitoring teacher and students' communications. If students' smile ratio and speech ratio is increasing, students' performance is increasing. We already analyzing over 300,000 hours of video, and we can predict 96% of mental health disorder only from movie analytics. We are just 1 year and 9 months old startups, but our revenue is already reached $260,000 per month. Benesse plus 11 edu client, AstraZeneca plus 14 mental health client is our paid client. Business model is horizontal SaaS. Only $10 per user per month. You can use all of our functions. We are the one and only multimodal AI services specialized online communications. We already applied for 120 patents globally. Our team is multimodal AI experts. My 2 co-founders and I have over 50 years working experience in NTT Data, largest system integrator in Japan. And this year, over 3,500 IIT students applied our internship opportunities. We already got 4 million fundraising in Japan. Last year, we got best talents and data in India. This year, we got to US market for monetizing. We visualize every person all over the world is one and only. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shozo. I'm beside you. So congratulations for your great achievement. So any judges, you have 2 minutes for Q&A. Oh, Peter, welcome. Please.
Thank you. Can you tell us more about your business model?
Yes, we are continuously monitoring organizations, online communications, and only participant numbers is, for example, 1,000 students and 100 teachers makes $11,000 per month. Is our business model.
All right. Thanks for asking, Peter and Shozo. So next is Naka. Please ask.
Yeah, thank you for a nice presentation. Can you tell us more about successful use cases on these areas? AstraZeneca, Denso, and
yes,
so.
Thank you for your questions. In AstraZeneca, we are continuously monitoring manager and sales employees communications and checking psychological safety of each employee and checking mental health status of each employee is AstraZeneca's status. And in Denso, it's a little strange use cases. They are checking the passenger and driver's status for checking the risk of their driving incident and continuously is Denso's use cases.
All right.
Thank you.
So yeah, I am sorry for your question. We don't have time. So time is up. Thank you so much again, Shozo, for your great pitch. So next we have we are welcoming Upcycle.
Yes.
All right. So please, Yuka-san, are you ready for the pitch?
Yes.
Okay. So you have 3 minutes.
Okay.
Please go for it.
Hello, everyone. I'm Yuka from Upcycle Inc. My hometown, Aomori Prefecture, is located at the north end of Honshu, the main island of Japan. Have you ever tried apple growth in Aomori? They are so sweet and juicy. Some farmers from overseas visit Aomori specifically to learn how these apples are grown. However, they are now facing several issues. I'm Yuka Sigeno, founder CEO of Upcycle Inc. I just established this company today in my hometown. I was born in Aomori and I have been living in Singapore for 3 years. Upcycle will proceed Apple Leader Project, supporting local apple farmers and encourage flexible and remote work. Aomori is #1 apple prefecture in Japan. On the other hand, there are some issues such as food loss and lack of successor. So we would like to tackle those problems. First, we are going to develop vegan leather with apple leftover. The uniqueness is drying process. We are going to dry by plasma system for reducing CO2 as much as possible. We will cooperate with a professor at Tohoku University for the innovative material development. We are planning to sell the vegan apple leather globally B2B. The market is growing nowadays. There are many vegan leather companies around the world. We are aiming to be a first vegan apple leather company in Japan with a focus on Japanese quality. We are going to support local apple farmers by several ways. Our team is living in overseas, Tokyo, and of course, Aomori. We are working hybrid from different places and time zone. I started this project at the beginning of this year, and it has received a lot of media attention. We are planning to launch an IPO. Those numbers might be changed because we are still under developing the material. We are going to try to use more sustainable ingredients. Thank you for listening. I really appreciate this amazing opportunity. Please feel free to contact me by DM or email. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Upcycle. Yuka-san, congratulations for establishing your startup today.
Today.
So today, actually.
Yeah, today.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. We never forget this time, like, you know.
Yeah, thank you.
Judges, please ask her any questions for 2 minutes. So Peter from R3I Ventures in Singapore. So please, Peter.
Yeah, it's a great presentation. I'm just curious. So where is your production based in Japan?
Yes. Actually, we are under development because still the prototype is not ready yet. Yeah, we try to many ingredients.
And are your suppliers going to be all based on Japan? Are you trying to source globally?
Globally. Yes.
Okay. Do you have any traction with global fashion designers, like the textile manufacturers?
Actually, I don't have a exact connection with them, but some company will introduce us. Yeah, the Japanese company. Yeah.
Okay. Can you send me some information? I may be able to contact
yes.
you with the major fashion industry.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Peter and Yuka-san. We have one more minute, actually less than 1 minute, but if judges have any more questions.
Yeah, I have a question. Can you share a bit about financial model and like cost of goods, and whether you have some financial projections for the nearest future?
Okay. Actually, we have to. We need to find some investor when we are production for OEM, and then after that we need to find some investor if we want to. We will have our own manufacturer. Yeah.
Okay, all right, time is up. Thank you so much. Sorry, Naka. Thank you, Yuka-san. All right, next startup. Please welcome Dineo. Are you ready? Okay, Dineo, please. All right, you have 3 minutes. Please start. Dineo, maybe you are in mute. Dineo. Can you hear me?
Yes, I've got you. My apologies.
Okay,
have you got me now?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Sorry about that.
Okay, let's start.
No problem. Okay. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Apologies for that. My name is Grant Villains, and I'm incredibly excited to introduce you to Lineo, a B2B platform. Yes, let us help you discover global partners. All right, let me paint a picture. Here is the situation. We've got Rugged Moose. Rugged Moose is a leather goods maker. They are here in Japan. They have a couple of outlets, a couple of stores, and they're doing really well. But they have a global vision. They want to go global. I have an OE firm, Xiaomi. They have incredible manufacturing capacity. They have the latest technology, everything is on hand to produce, but they're looking for contacts. On the far right there, there's Justin Harding. He runs an agency that's based in South Africa. He's got a strong network of clients and he's looking to move ahead, but he's looking for products. He's looking for something a little bit special. Up until now, these three probably would not have connected because their worlds are so different. They're separated by language and cultural barriers that are so difficult to overcome. This is why we have established our platform right here, the Lineo platform. It is designed for producers, OEM firms, and agents in particular, and this is it. It is offered in English, Japanese, and Chinese. All right, so what happens? This is how we get started. Agencies register on our platform. OEM producers, OEM firms, they register in their original language. Agencies register for free. Producers and OEM firms register for $500 US upfront. And then on top of that, they are charged $500 US per product per month. Very important, a 3% commission will be charged on each completed transaction through the platform. So once registered, the data is collected. That data then is translated into the three key languages, the Japanese, the Chinese, and the English. Once we have those details, the smart technology on the platform then starts to set up the contract systems, and then along with our panel of experts, connects those guys with the right agents, the right products, meeting the right agents in the right locales. Okay, so the flow, you register. We then translate that information, and it is vitally important that that information is translated, that there's a hands-on touch there, because in this community and in this culture, it's required. From there, you are connected, you're paired, you're matched. We then set up the contract system, and from there, payment is made all via our platform. A world-class platform, a world-class encounter. As it stands, the traction right now, we have 30 products registered on our platform. We have agents, 6 in Japan, 6 in China, 2 in South Africa, and 1 in the UK, ready to sell our products. Finances, as mentioned, there's the initial registration fees and the monthly costs. We will offer a consultancy fee, SEO services, and there will be marketing and advertising space made available on the site. Our goal by the middle of next year towards the end is to have 1,000 products uploaded. That is the goal, that is the plan. Our vision is to bring all these things, businesses, products, skills, and people, and allow them to connect online so that they can find their partnerships and synergy is created. My team is made up of four wonderful men. I'm surrounded by engineers, very gifted men. I have Toro and Keiji-san, who are from Japan. I have Liu-san, who is Chinese, and myself, a South African, who's based here in Japan. Our goal, our desire is to see global partners change the world. Our invitation to you is please partner with us this evening. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Grant. What a wonderful pitch. So anybody have questions? So now we have another judge joining us, Benjamin. So anybody?
Welcome, Benjamin.
Any comments or questions? Everybody is so impressed by Grant.
I'm hoping so. Yeah.
Yeah. How much you are raising money right now, right? How much money are you raising?
Yeah. To be honest, we are just in the process of launching our platform. It's being launched this month. Our target was to get 30 products online, and from there to go. We've got the opportunity to pitch to you this evening. We've got a pitch event in Tokyo too. The business of the platform is really starting now. Up until now, it's just been building and establishing, and a lot of hard work being put into getting this set up.
So how much?
Sorry, I missed the start of that.
Yeah, Peter. You
No,
ask
I
how-
mean, what was the question? How much you're raising?
Our goal at the moment is $1 million if possible.
Excellent. Any other?
And we believe there's an opportunity for that. You know,
Which
to get into
valuation?
Japan is incredibly difficult. Sorry.
At which valuation? So 1 million US, at which valuation?
Yeah, at the moment, we're talking about 20%.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah.
All right, time is up. Thank you so much for your great pitch.
And yes, thank you very much.
Dino, thank you so much. Best luck. So we are welcoming next Unicorn, Camellias 4 a.m. Mimi, please welcome.
Thank you. Let me share my screen. Yeah, sorry, Linio, can you close your screen sharing so I can share mine, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right.
All right, so you have 3 minutes.
Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Hi, we're Camilla's 4 a.m. and we're solving the video content marketing problems of small business owners by matching them by people that we call the performer creators. The journey of our business started because I started my own small business and I experienced the struggle of marketing my business. Actually, it all started when I posted and shared to the world how difficult it is. To my surprise, this post went viral and shared by 14,000 small business owners. This is where I realized that, wow, this problem is not unique to me. It is actually a problem of thousands of people. True enough, data shows that 9 out of 10 small business owners are struggling with their social media marketing. This is for 3 reasons. Number 1, it's very time consuming. In order to create one post, especially now that the trend is video, a small business needs to spend 2 hours of their time. Second, aside from its time consuming, it also requires marketing skills that a small business owner do not have. And third, it requires confidence to produce videos. Not a lot of people are confident to be in front of the camera and smile and perform. So our solution is we will be the Airbnb of content creation, where we will match the demand of small business owners for social media contents. And our suppliers are people who we call amateur content creators, or the people who does video for fun. But compared to Airbnb, we are a managed marketplace because we guarantee the quality of the videos produced in our platform. We charge $350 to $500 for every 10 videos produced in our platform. So far, we already facilitated 120 transactions, and we have 180 performers in our platform, and we've serviced 6 companies. If you can see the photo beside, we actually produced viral videos for this small business. So some of the videos that we've produced is around 2 million. Pardon, that's my feet, because at the time we're still like few creators. I need to create the videos myself. So there's 3 processes in order to create videos. Step 1, they order the video. Step 2, they choose the creator. And step 3, they ship the product and wait for the video. So this is a sample video produced by one of our creators for a sachet brand, shampoo and conditioner brand. The target users are huge. We're going to start in the Philippines with around 163,000 small business owners relying on social media. In Southeast Asia, we're estimating there's 40 million target users and 250 million in the world. And this number is just going to be increasing in the next few years because social media is here to stay for small business owners. Therefore, if we can capture 10% of the market in the Philippines alone, our ARR is at $80 million per year. We're fundraising 200,000 and we already have 160,000 pledged in Japan. So we're now under Station AI under the mentorship of SoftBank and Aichi government. This is my co-founder, Harry. Lastly, let me share you that this is my vision. When I grew my small business, I was able to hire women who didn't finish high school, elementary, and college. If we can empower more small business owners, can you just imagine how much impact we will do to other people who didn't finish education in Southeast Asia? So this is my goal, and I hope I can find partners here who can enable me to enable people to pursue their passion while making a difference. That's all, and thank you.
Thank you so much, Mimi, for your great pitch. Very impressive. So any comments or questions? Okay, Aya from California, please.
Yes, hi. Quick question on the supply side of the talent. How are you sort of getting the talent into your user base? Are you leveraging existing influencers, or I'm just trying to get a sense of how you're getting the people into your platform?
Yeah, for now, we're going to do organic way. Me and my partner has been doing the business for like working on it for 2 years. So we actually have around 100,000 followers in all our social media pages. So every time we announce this, a lot of people are applying. But we're also starting to partner with several agencies, or actually one of the potential investors that we have. They have 10,000 people already in their platform who they can outsource to us. So to be honest, on the supply side, there's not much problem because there's a lot of people who's already doing this for fun. So here is a figure. We're estimating that in the Philippines alone, there's around 6.8 million amateur creators active on TikTok who we can already tap.
Got it. And then a follow-up question to that is, in order for the small businesses to sort of maintain authenticity for their product, let's say if I'm a shampoo product and I want someone to advertise my shampoo, does the talent say somewhere that this is an advertisement, or how do you go about sort of being transparent on that front?
Yeah, well, I just wanted to clear that this is not an advertising per se, but rather more of a video trend. So they hop on the trends, they hop on sharing their experiences. We actually try to avoid getting companies who wants our creators to tell something that they didn't really feel about the brand. And more importantly, most of our creators are already existing clients of the brands. That's why we call it community marketplace. So the videos are authentic. The videos are something that is being produced by the creators because they really believe in it. And more importantly, since we have a wide array of creators, for example, last time we have a laptop brand and he said, I need gamers to speak about this brand. So we assigned gamers for him. So when the gamers speak about the brand, they already use this brand, they already know about this industry. So it's not salesy, pitchy kind of video, but rather more authentic and more relatable. That's why it's working for the business owners.
Got it. Thank you.
Sure.
Cool. Time is up. Thank you so much, Mimi.
Thank you.
So Judge Benjamin, Aya, Gajo, Moid, Peter, and Naka, please vote. And don't forget to not voting, okay? All right, so next we are welcoming Rust Trust. Are you ready?
Yes, ready. Thank you. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Okay. Yes, yes. So we have 3 minutes. Best luck.
Okay, thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm Kenta, the founder and CEO of Rust Inc. We are a Web3 startup based in Tokyo and provide a D-app development platform, Buns. This product was launched in January this year and attracted more than 3,300 D-app developers in just 4 months. The number of deployed D-app projects is over 900. So in fact, Buns is the largest D-app development platform in Asia. So now let me explain what Buns does. In short, it's a back-end as a service like Firebase in the Web3 space. Developers find it difficult to develop the app, right? So it takes 6 months on average to learn what is Web3, what is blockchain, what is smart contracts, how to build up the app. So we want to make it easy and fast and secure for them to develop the app. So to realize it, Buns offers smart contracts modules for frequently used ones. The modules reduce coding time by 99%. And the users can deploy that modules to all major blockchains. For example, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and so on. Yeah, so existing development tools are for experts. So only some developers can use them. the brands can well become the most comprehensive and easier to use platform. Okay, so we will now demonstrate brands in short time. This is the top page of the brands. So it's easy to use. At first, enter the project name and select the chain to deploy and select to the smart contract modules. In this case, I will try to generate ERC20 token on the Ethereum testnet. Enter the token name and the symbol and deploy. And as a final step, I will sign on my MetaMask window. Maybe you can't see my MetaMask window, but I will sign it here. Okay, so we will down. It will take a while for the transaction to be finalized, but that's all we need to do. So now I issued a new cryptocurrency on Ethereum testnet now without writing any code. So this is amazingly convenient. So if you'd like to learn more, please come see me after this presentation. Okay, that's all. So you can see all of the function from here. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you so much, Kenter, for your great pitch. And any questions from judges?
Yeah, yeah. The tool looks amazing, and I think it's really great for like startups, for blockchain startups. Yeah, one question: Are you raising funds, or so? What's the purpose of the pitch? I mean.
Yeah, the purpose of this page is fundraising.
Okay.
Yeah.
And how much are you raising, and are you raising like in equity or in tokens? Or
our target is $5 million with equity.
Okay, and yeah, where is the entity registered?
Yes, of course.
Now, I mean, where is the entity registered, in Japan or somewhere else?
Yeah, headquarters is located in Tokyo, and we have the branch in Singapore, and this Singapore branch will issue our branch token.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, if you can send me the deck, I'm happy to follow up.
I got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Iban, for your question. So any more questions?
Just question, is the Series A?
This is actually pre-Series A.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Peter. So time is up. Thank you, Kenter, for your great pitch again. So
thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So next, we are welcome serial entrepreneur Yuko-san, CEO of Sustainer Seed. Yuko-san, please welcome.
Thank you, Johnson. Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm Yuko, founder of Sustainer Seed. And at the same time, I'm being as a board member at the listed company. And as a female, the board director in Japan is only 7%. This is an issue. And also that we got the Dishonorable Award about the climate change last year. And this issue, why the sustainability is so hard to realize. So we are thinking, what is the solution? Then we made a sustainable focused crowdfunding platform to support the project owners who is already taking the action, like Apple Cycle. And all of the organizations, the project owners must explain with SDGs, because this is familiar already. Then as a business model, this is a platform B2B2C between project owners and supporters. And we take the commission. This is a market size about a crowdfunding platform, $34 billion as globally. Also, SDGs market, this is quite huge. Now, what about compared to other competitors? The concept is totally different because we are focusing on sustainability. And for us, yes, this crowdfunding platform is the first product, but we focusing on this sustainable solution. Why sustain seed? It is a time as a ESG trend, and in Japan, the stock exchange market is restructured, and all of the first layer of the corporations must issue the sustainable report. And this is the time to take the sustainability transformation. Now, we just released the MVP and running the beta version right now, and trying to make the traction. And we focus on sustainability and going for the global market also. We already have the partners globally, and our team here, the Yuko, myself, and Koji, that we are the social entrepreneur both, and have the global background and have the sustainable business strategy knowledge. We see the sustainability to realize better society for the next generation. Thank you. I'm done.
Thank you so much, Yuko-san, for your great pitch. So any questions from judges from around the world? Okay, Peter from Singapore, please. Peter, you're in mute.
Sorry about that.
No.
Great pitch, but I still don't understand what are you delivering as a product and what is your business model?
Our business model is a crowdfunding platform. So as a product, that we provide this platform, B2B2C.
Okay, how will you make money?
The charge with the transaction fee, it's totally similar with Kickstarter or Indiegogo.
Okay, but I mean, can you maybe in the future pitches, can you add that to your slide deck?
Sorry?
It's not clear how you're going to make money.
Yeah, because
if anybody wants to invest in your business, I mean, I need to know, you know, your future revenue forecast and how you are planning on making money on this.
Yes, simply the making money is the transaction fee as a platformer, and we will grow focusing on sustainability. And this is the first product for us. And later on, we want to make the SaaS model to support the business strategy of the sustainability. And especially this model is for the small organizations to support their sustainable activities. But for the large corporations, we want to support the sustainable business strategy.
Understand that, but you need to show me how you're going to evolve in the next 5 years, where you're going to be revenue-wise, right?
Yeah, and firstly that we go we already released the crowdfunding platform. So in Japan market, we already released, and for the second phase, we make the global version. And also that we want to make we should not say that the want, but the planning to make the SaaS model. And we already working with the partner in Canada. So as a business model, as you say, at the first we go for B2B2C. And this is a platformer taking the transaction fee. So as a SaaS model, it would be the charge for the use it, what is say it's the account per account, I think, the to charge for the business strategy. But the keyword is sustainability.
Yeah, I mean, it's a suggestion, like if you're raising the money, you want to show the investors your current traction. So if you do have accounts that you already generating revenue from, you probably want to show that, right?
Yeah, that's why that now we just released the MVP, and this is bootstrapping. And after make the PMF, of course, we try to go rapidly. So this is our timing right now to make that traction.
Okay, time is up. Thank you, Peter and Yuko-san, for great pitch. All right, so now judges, please vote. And now we are welcoming next startup, next unicorn, Miurumi. Please welcome.
Okay. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Is it like the one with my logo?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Let's rock
So,
for 3 minutes.
Okay. So my name is Don. I'm from Thailand, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Miru.me. So we are trying to build a marketplace for in-shop advertising. Our inspiration is from this image on the left. Like in this case, the advertiser, in this case McDonald's, is paying this building owner to put their advertisement on it. So the building owner is happy because like, they can get free money from McDonald's. McDonald's can get more customers to their shop because of this advertisement. And the people who walk by know where McDonald's is. So we think like this kind of situation is win-win situation for everybody. And we want to create this kind of situation more often. And we see the opportunity to do that. So we do some market research, and then we decided to focus on the promotional media advertising market in Japan, which is a $16 billion market. And we also do some research and interview with shop owners and advertisers, and we see the potential in like for them to collaborate with each other to fulfill each other's needs. However, right now there's like no proper way for them to connect with each other. So we try to build an online marketplace to facilitate this in-shop advertising. And we are trying to build a new sharing economy powered by the collaboration between shop owners and advertisers. For our MVP, we invented a very simple system. We deploy small physical template like you see in this picture. This one gonna act like a micro billboard that will be placed in every of our partner shop. This image, the before image, show how it is when there's no advertisement, just showing that this space is available. Whereas the after image is showing like when there's an advertisement. So we can also do other type of ad placements as well. For example, putting the flyer in the delivery package, giving out sample product in shops, or even like displaying real product in stores. We believe that this kind of collaboration is like something that online advertising cannot do, and have a lot of potential. And also, like for example, another example is like with the same budget that you can use to put your advertisement on a billboard in Shibuya, you can actually put more than 10,000 of these micro billboard around Tokyo. And I think that could be like very interesting strategy for the advertiser in the future. Our business model is to get 20% commission from every transaction. And what we have done so far is we have partnered up with more than 40 locations in Tokyo. Right now we have like gyms, izakaya, restaurant, cafes who join us, who partner with us. And we also growing the user every month. We also joined 500 and Kobe Founder Academy last year. And our founding team are 3 people from 3 different countries and 3 different professional backgrounds. I have a background in architecture, and Joe Sang, who is our CTO, he has 10+ years of like of web development, and Sika, who is Taiwanese, and she is a product manager, and she in charge of marketing. Like in this year, 2020, we focus on improving our product, and next year we're gonna try to scale in Japan, and we're gonna try to be profitable as soon as possible. We believe that this business can be scaled worldwide. Our immediate goal is to unlock the potential of sharing economy in advertising industry. Our long-term goal is to bring universal basic income closer to reality. At the moment, only the shop owners can use our product and get a benefit from it. In the future, we will add more product line that will allow more people to participate in. And we believe that this is going to bring universal basic income closer to reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom, from here for your great pitch. So any questions from judges? Okay, Peter, please.
Yeah, so can you tell me why would I go with you and not the whatever else is out there with the QR code? What makes you different?
Actually, we are not like kind of QR code press. We are like we are a platform that's gonna bring your advertisement to real press, to real like physical stores.
But how you present that value to your clients? What makes you different from anybody else?
So right now the main tool is like online advertising, and there's also like the promotional media advertising, which include like billboards and other stuff. So this kind of media, there's like the weakness, like for example, online is getting more competitive every day, and like people getting like less attention, and it's also like harder to target because of like new privacy policy. Whereas like the traditional promotional media, such as like billboards and other stuff, is not very flexible and gonna require high budget in the beginning. So we are offering a small simple solution by partnering up with like local shop owners.
All right, thanks. Next question from Gajo, please.
Thank you, John. Thanks for detailed presentation. Nevertheless, I haven't seen your competitive landscape description. Can you tell us a bit about your competitors, as well as addition to Peter's questions about your competitive advantage?
So at the moment, like our direct competitors are like the kind of like marketplace, other marketplace platform, which just like most of them just started very recently in like within last 3 years, and there's like less than 10 of them in Tokyo. And for our another direct competitor is like the chain restaurant who started to do in-shop advertising, for example, like Otoya or other kind of people. So this kind of restaurant, they only have only one type of restaurant, but then like, but in reality, every kind of restaurant, every kind of store attract different type of people. So in this case, when we partner up with all type of people, like gyms, restaurant, cafes, all of them gonna have different kind of customers, and it's gonna be better for them better for advertiser to target their audience. And to our competitive advantage over like, if we compare to like the other online platform, like we are more physical, we can provide like more flexibility in the ad placement. Whereas like if you compare us to like the traditional billboard company, we are more flexible, we are more small, but then we can do much more, like many in like variety of location, even more targeting.
Thank you very much for your answer to my question. Good luck in your future endeavor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Gajo, and thank you so much, Tom, for your wonderful pitch. So we're going for next unicorn.
Right now, okay.
Okay, so our next startup is Ska Library. Please welcome Junior.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear? Can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So now you have 3 minutes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. All right, nice to meet you, everyone. I'm Junya Yamamoto, the founder and CEO of Ska Library. Our company is community tech company, building an information social structure suitable for Web3 society and make the market borderless and seamless. And yeah, by the way, do you use these types of the marketing framework? I think this framework is quite common in the world because the marketing is quite well understood in the world. So everybody is using these types of the marketing frameworks. But today, in the Web3 market, marketing framework is not enough to operate to meet their business goals. So currently, what they need to manage is like this. Okay, it's so-called chaos map, but it's so common. All those ecosystem is a part of their asset. So community of those business networks we call ecosystem is one of the things that Web3 company needs to manage right now. And also community in the consumer side, fund, investors, whatever. So this potential market in non-English speaking countries is quite huge and growing. However, only less than 50% out of top blockchain projects covering other than English. So they just cover English and less than 50% covering additional languages. And unfortunately, 80% of those projects got the supporting Japanese market. And why? It's very simple. It's highly costly. So what if cost and the resources to take care of that will not be a matter? You can access that huge opportunity. So here is a solution we are creating. The easy to set up, just like a WordPress to create their website. Ecomedia.io solution is a composable community management platform as a service solution. So currently we have those two different layers. One information layer with multilingualization, automated multilingualization protocol. And another layer is community economics layer, accelerating community economics. How it works with our version 1 is like this. So here is a ecosystem you need to take care together with your own company, and information published by those companies directly archived with our solution, a platform as a service Ecomedia, and automatically aggregated and automatically archived and multilingualization and automatically delivered to where community are communicating. So we integrate those platforms just like Line Open Chat, Discord, and even Telegram or whatever community platform where community is already communicating as a user interface for community. So we call our solution as a platform as a service because user interface is the ready-made infrastructure, and community are going to join this platform. So all those processes needed to handled by manually, manually, but with our solution, all those processes will be 0 step, no operation anymore. And our business model is mainly license fee from our platform, and revenue come from the community modules. We are going to open our module marketplace, and anyone will develop, integrate their modules to our platform. And then important point is our cost efficiency. So we created our architecture in very cost efficient way. So the project will be really profitable, even this small revenue flow from each communities. This is a competitive landscape. The vertically community building and the customer acquisition, and horizontally closed platform or open platform for their communities. But all of them are our partner. So we will not compete with those community platforms or community players, but they are going to be our partners to develop modules together. And then we are going to be the kind of platform expanding their solution, integrating the community platforms. Yeah, the phase 1 market is a Web3 market, but actually we are going to be the social infrastructure if you are going to develop your own community over the world. So I'm very excited at listening that all of your presentation, because you must have the community globally. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Junior-san, for your great, wonderful pitch. It's really impressive. So any judges, any questions?
Yeah, how you are raising the round right now, okay?
Yeah, we are going to go pretty early round.
Okay, and how much are you raising?
We are targeting about 1 point in US dollar, 1 point about 1.5 million US dollar.
Okay, sounds good. Can you please share the deck with me? So I'm quite interested in this.
Sure, sure.
Thank you, Ivan. Judges, please vote like to all startups. Okay, any other question? Okay, Peter from Singapore.
Can you tell us about your current traction?
Excuse me, what was the question?
Traction.
Traction.
Do you have any customers?
Okay, yeah, thank you very much. No, not yet. Talking about the actual users only for this platform, because we are currently doing the closed beta test, and then we are going to go open beta from June, so in few days, and then we are going to support the customers onboarding to the platform. So we already with the supportive services, we operate the promotions or community management manually. We already reached about 200,000 US dollar earnings last year. Then we are going to lead them to go to come to this platform, so they are going to be more efficient. So this is the current business roadmap and the current traction.
Do you have any lead customer? Anybody who wants to do trial?
We are very happy to support it. So from next month, June, we are going to cooperate with some partners if we want to support, test these services.
Okay. You know, the hardest thing is to bring the horse to the water and drink it, right? So
yeah. That's true.
Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Peter and Junior-san. So it's time is up. So
thank you.
Unicorn. So actually, it's our final startup. Please welcome Fondi.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Is everything listed? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see that. So
all right.
you 3 minutes. Best luck.
Nice to meet you guys. Let me present you Fondi, a virtual learning language learning platform. And here's how it works. When you open the app, the character Catherine will go around the 3D world. And here's home, which is basically your base, where you can customize your avatars and clothes. And from here, you can go outside of your home to Plaza to enjoy the random conversations with people, or go to a bar for one-on-one matching. And here's Park. We are testing this out with paid users only now, but users can get close to each other using the avatars, and the voice will gradually come out. And with this space, we enable users to enjoy the more like dynamic conversations. And once you get to know somebody, you can move into a lounge together to enjoy more like a private conversations with each other. This is like a game of the guild to enjoy more private conversations with your friends only. So basically what we are trying to do is to solve the problems of the users who are in APAC and African countries who have already strong needs to learn practical English because it can change their lives for their better job opportunities or due to their psychological insafety in their own countries. Even though they try to learn English, it's still too expensive because the cost for teachers does not change country by country. So we are trying to enable the process of users to learn from each other with non-native, and we drive the communications between them using the power of gaming and metaverse. What matters here is the community, where users can enjoy the casual conversations comfortably, and also the contents to drive the communications. So we'll be developing the tools or like networks for them to find out the close friends, and they gradually expand their communications and what they talk about in order to expand their vocabulary and also the confidence in speaking English. We've already got 300,000 installs on total to roughly 3,000 paid users. And we are actually getting those paid users from Vietnam and Indonesia mainly, and also 8 other countries as a main target. And what's impressive is that those paid users are using 120 minutes average per day. So we see quite strong enthusiasm from them. And also from now on, we try to expand the experiences of users to more educations, where users can enjoy more educational contents utilizing the 3D worlds, and also the community expanded into more different countries. And also we try to connect those consumptions of educational contents on their community with the token economy. So yeah, we plan to make it into more Web3 based services in order to incentivize the facilitators, which we already have, to get the tokens by committing to the Fondi community, and use the tokens to further educational contents on Fondi. Yeah, that's like 3 minutes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your great pitch, Fondi. That's amazing. So our question starting from Gajo, please.
Thank you, John. Great presentation. Would like to know a bit more about your go-to-market strategy and, of course, expansion. I have seen that you are already established yourself at APAC countries, but what's your plan? As you said, that you're planning to expand on Africa or other countries, non-English speaking countries.
What we are seeing as an opportunity is influencer marketing, because we are like a gaining and learning. So it's kind of like a catchy for those users who doesn't have enough wealth and opportunities to learn English. And actually, we are getting quite many users, especially in Indonesia, Vietnam, and Morocco, utilizing the TikTok and YouTubers. So for, I guess, 1 to 2 years, we will be focusing on influencer marketing in order to move into more African markets and also APAC countries further. So
thanks for the answer. Can I ask you, what's your current revenue? I mean, the total revenue you have acquired so far.
So I said we've already got 3,000 users paid already to our platform, but now we are with the churn users already. We've got 700 users paying per month, like right now. So the average payment is $10. So we are getting $8,000 for now per month. Yeah.
Thank you for your answer. Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Gajo. So next is Peter.
Yeah, I mean, 300,000 downloads and 2,800 paying customers is less than 10% conversion. Why?
It's been like a long way from here. Like we launched the initial version, like a very initial version at the beginning of 2020, and we launched the beta version in 2020 May, and we didn't know like which countries people would use more enthusiastically for a year. So yeah, we found out like our enthusiasm in 2021 like March. So among like half of those installs are like for those users who we didn't know whether they would pay or not. So we are getting into like the actual markets for these 9 months.
What I mean is maybe statistics are wrong. So somebody who downloads something, it's fine. Somebody who uses it is different. Somebody who is willing to pay for it is different. So are you providing some value to people to download it and they can still use some functionality before they get to advanced features that they want to pay for? Is that the model?
what we are trying to do is to filter out the community in order to create the community only with the English learners. So what they can do with the free content is quite small. So we restrict the time they can use. And if they talk, 15 minutes will pass away like pretty soon. And if they want to use unlimited for the time, they need to pay for monthly subscriptions to unlock all the usage in every single area provided in this 3D world. But from now on, after this round of investment, we will be more like expanding the usage for free users, utilizing the matching algorithm. So it will be more like a freemium model soon.
All right, time is up. Thank you so much, Peter, and the font. So this is the end of the pitches. Thank you so much, everyone. Otsukaresama. So judges, please vote for 1 minute. And the startups, please wait and have some drinks. Okay, so now let's finish voting. Actually, I'm voting too. So Naka, Ayar, have you voted, everybody? Gajo, Moid?
A quick question, John.
Yeah.
Is there like a pop-up that shows up for the voting?
Yeah, it's like it's showing like a 1 to 5.
I haven't
It's
been.
not a, sorry, it's not a pop-up. You should receive an email with the voting link.
Okay, got it. Thanks.
Cool. So by waiting for our other judges to finish voting, let's ask the thoughts, feedback from the judges, what they think about tonight's pitches. So Naka-san, could I ask what you think about today's pitches?
Sure. For me, the first one, online communication by AI has been so impressive to see, people, the emotion. This makes a huge difference online communication, even after COVID-19 is over. And it can be used for not only education, but also other sectors. So I think this idea can be used for many online purposes. I'm pretty impressed. Yeah, only competitors, maybe you have to get ready for other, Microsoft and Teams and Google's and maybe the patent. What's going to happen to the global patents? That's pretty critical for you in the future.
Thank you, Naka. And next, Peter, who was your most favorite and why?
I can say it's a secret. I voted, but I know you started this very short time ago, so I commend you on bringing the 9 incredible startups to the competition. I don't know how you did it in such a short period. Although I'd like to see 50-50 female startups and male founders, but I commend you for the effort. It was awesome, and we'll see what the results are.
Thanks, Peter. All right, so who else? Gojo, who was your most favorite?
Well, thank you, John. Well, I wouldn't like to say, because it wouldn't be justifiable to others who are probably not going to win this pitch, but I think this is a really good event to show that for each startup where they are currently in terms of their pitching, the way how they prepare their presentation, and they probably are going to learn it from the event, even if they don't win it. So I'm generally always open to a wider you know, application of technology in any startup that is commencing their operations. But as far as this event, I like to see that there were startups who were artificial intelligence prone, and of course the crowdfunding platforms. Nevertheless, there were startups who had a less of commercialization within their project, and if they don't get graded as they probably expected from the next one, they probably are going to be better pitchers and of course presenters as well. So looking forward to see who the winners are, and thanks for the invite.
Thank you, Goja.
You're welcome.
Where are you coming from today?
Yeah, I'm today from Montenegro. You know, I have some project because our company is you know, the clothing manufacturer, and we have some potential acquisition of the company in order to expand our capacities. And it's pretty hot, you know. I'm like, this is like 11 a.m. In the morning, and I still haven't went to swim a bit. So probably after the event, I'm going to swim a bit to get freshened.
You're in Montenegro?
Yeah, I'm in Montenegro currently, but I generally live and work in Belgrade, in Serbia. But I work constantly in the region. So sometimes I'm in Zagreb, Croatia, or Ljubljana, Slovenia, or Sarajevo as well. And also I'm traveling to Czech because I'm also of a Czech descendant. I have some family there, and you know, always in the region, trying to find a proper business opportunity in terms of startup or consultancy for the companies who are planning to expand their operations, production company specifically. And of course, various financial analytics that I provide for our clients. So looking forward to the next one, and hopefully from this event we'll see the winners who will go to the regional competition.
Okay, thank you so much. So I would love to ask all judges, but its time is actually already, all judges are voted. So are you all ready? Let me announce today's winners. Anybody make some noise? Everyone. So let me find out. So I have just got it. So today's number 3, Last Trust and Ska Library. 2 winners in the third. Last Trust and Ska Library. So let us hear the comments. Last Trust.
Yes, thank you so much. I'm glad you appreciate the evaluation. So thank you so much. Band supports all developers who want to try to develop the app. So we need to fundraising to do so. So on receiving the evaluation from the judges is a great confidence for us. Thank you so much.
Great, congratulations. Also, Ska Library.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm very surprised at this place. This is really my first time to join this types of the lightning pitch event. So yeah, really appreciate it, and I will try you know, go further in the product from now on. Thank you very much.
Excellent, congratulations, Kento-san. So second winner is everyone, Fond. Congratulations.
In Fondi.
Fondi.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm so honored to be the second. Yeah, we are going through the go-to-market process. So we'll try to make this product as a global successful product from Japan. It's quite rare, right? So especially for consumer business. And we are raising money. So if you are interested, let's have a talk throughout the email. Thank you so much.
Cool. Congratulations, Fondi. So today's who is the best? What do you guys think? All right. So today's winner is.
Can you share the screen though?
Sorry?
Can you share the screen?
Screen of what?
Yeah, I mean, who's the winner?
Oh, okay. You are not trusting me.
No, I mean, I went to my website and it doesn't show no results.
Okay, because today's we don't have it, but I have received. Oh, I cannot show it.
I trust you, John. You know I trust you.
I'm not lying.
Sorry, John. Peter, please check our landing page.
I did.
Yeah.
It was all zero out.
Peter, I'm not lying. All right. So can I continue?
Peter, just refresh your page. I think that John, in the meantime, he closed the voting process, and the zeros that were standing are something in between. Just refresh the page, and it will give you the results.
You know I did. It's not the first time I do this, right?
Okay. All right. So
that's okay.
I'm continuing, and I'm not lying. Okay. All right. All right. So the first winner is I'm beside you. Congratulations, Shozo, come here. Shozo, please give us a comment.
Yes, thank you very much, and I'm really honored to this winning. And I know today is the first time that held in the Unicorn pitches in Japan, so I'm really honored to become the winner of this memorial event. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And you are also selected the J startup, right? So you are invited to US.
Yes. Yes, I selected the J startup, and now I'm struggling in US market for getting US dollar.
All right, thank you, Shozo, for the winning. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congrats to Shozo and his team.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah. So, but all startups, all of you are winners today. Lineo and Yama, Upcycle, Yuko-san's Sustainaseed, and Mimi from Camila's 4am. So everybody is winners. So today is not your final day for your business. So today is still beginning and still process. And now most important thing is this is only 2 weeks to prepare for first time unicorn pitches in Japan. I truly appreciate all judges and Lina, Kate for the organizing the event. And mostly we really appreciate all next unicorns attending this wonderful event. So this is my honor to be the host the event today. And let us be friends. So we can put our LinkedIn or email in the chat, and let's make friends. So you guys feel free to talk now.
John, I've completely forgot to put my LinkedIn, because I was so interested to see the participants. So I forgot about the networking. So I'm going to do it now.
Okay, all right.
Sorry guys about it.
So we can put our email or
Yeah, I'm gonna put my link to LinkedIn. Yep.
LinkedIn.
Here.
We can be all friends.
Yeah. It's never enough.
Yeah, so we have a 15 minutes to networking now. So anybody can just feel free to talk. Yuko-san, you wanna start? Or anybody?
We're already friends.
You guys.
Well, just from ourselves, a big thank you for the opportunity to be able to share today. We, certainly learned a lot and wish all of you the very, very best here. I'm quite amazed by what you're all doing, the different ventures, the different ideas. Good luck, really. Thank you.
Thank you, Grant. Are you in Hiroshima?
I'm in Mukaishima, Just yes, in the Hiroshima prefecture at the start of the famous Shimonami Kaido cycling.
Excellent, excellent.
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you all. Unfortunately, I have to leave, and thanks for inviting me. And yeah, happy to connect by LinkedIn or Telegram or email. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you so much, Ivan.
I was going to say, I mean, John, you know, this was less than 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Took, yeah, 2 weeks to pull this off. I know this takes a lot of time and a lot of preparation. A lot of amazing startups. I commend you on pulling it off. I know this is a hard work, so awesome, awesome, awesome.
Thank you, Peter. Actually, I was surprised that when who found this event by my Twitter? One, two, okay. So actually, people found my Twitter and applied for the event. So I was like really amazed. So, Naka-san, you want to speak?
No, just I found this event by your Twitter.
Okay, even you are the judge.
It's great to see that the Twitter was the tool that brought so many startups. You know, I couldn't do it. You know, when I was organizing the Serbian startup event, I need to push a bit. Couple of friends who were leading the hubs here and have been connected to some startups that could be interesting for such events. So it was like couple of weeks before we get our 10 startups. Nevertheless, at the end we have 20 startups, and I was really like, man, you know, they were so good. It was really hard for me to choose the 10 who are going to participate. So I decided to go with full package of 20, and it was tough. You know, the event was lasted for like 3.5 to 4 hours. You know, I was exhausted, but you know, it was a real quality.
Yeah, Gojo, many Japanese startup people use Twitter over Facebook these days. Yeah.
Well,
so,
I think it's different in culture, because here people are more spending time on Facebook than Twitter. You know, because a lot of my friends who live in States, they are Twitter prone, but here, you know, couple of people that I personally know and who collaborated in the past are not so prone with speaking about the venture capitalist companies. They just don't get the Twitter as the major form for communication. But I think that is going to change a bit nowadays. I don't know if it's because Elon Musk took Twitter from the past owners, but I think there are some positive changes in that way as well, aside of the political agenda that is present currently.
Yeah, so Ton, you wanna introduce or speak? How come you chose running your startup in Japan? You're from Thailand, right?
Yeah, I'm from Thailand, but I came here for university, and right now I'm a PhD student also full time. So like in the free time, I'm doing my own startup with my friends.
Wow.
Yeah, and I know about your event from like one of my co-founder. She follow you somewhere and like probably Twitter, and like she just told me to apply here.
I see. Excellent.
Yeah.
What do you study? Like which university?
Architecture at Meiji University.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Excellent. Wow.
So
actually,
it's not related to my startup, but yeah.
I see. Mimi from Camila's 4am, she's also a PhD student at the Nagoya University. Yeah. Mimi, how was your pitch today? I saw that you are winning.